Hello everyone, I hope you're good guys. Today I'm gonna show you a way to create your own HitHats Loop. I've been using for a long time HitHats Loop from banks, and I always wanted to create mine, and one day, when I get the push, there is the step sequencer with the 16 velocity, and I start to understand that how velocity was important to create nice HitHats Loop. So I start to play around with the push, and I discovered that, and I wanted to share with you. So you might be already aware of this stuff, or might know. So basically, HitHats Loop, the basic simple stuff I knew was this one, the one offbeat, and this one, like this one a little bit. Even this one, I don't think I knew it, but that was the two things I knew it. But actually, I started to play with the velocity, and what I started to discover is, for example, this one. Up is going up and down. But I'm gonna do with a close hi-hat. It sounds better. You see, you've got this impulsion of beats. That's really nice. You can do the same, remove this one. You can you get a nice kind of stuff. This one is good to add some delay with. See, you get nice groove. You can get this one as well, just small one. This one is classic one as well, and usually people have to put open hi-hat, offbeat. This is kind of stuff I didn't know at the beginning. Like I was not really into drums, and like close hi-hat, open hi-hat, I didn't really understood what difference was, like, because I'm not a drummer at all. I don't understand nothing at music theory, so I was kind of dumb to discover that. But yeah, it's like pretty basic, but at least you can do your own one with your own arts. And the cool thing is, I've created this little rack. It's nothing wow, it's just delay, 4 different kind of delay, but that I've designed especially for hats to give kind of nice kind of shuffle. Just let me show you. I'm just gonna take one simple, this one. Don't put too much, like between 0 and 30% is enough. You see, you get different kind of shuffle, which is really nice. So these are basic, but you can even create a bit more complex, like this one, and same add delay. And then same add. Yeah, just you can improvise and really get some kind of HitHats Loop like your own, like different than what you can find out on the sample bank. Other thing as well, like usually, I like to use the groove pool. You can obviously use them. Yeah, actually. Was not working on this one, but yeah, this one is better, which is nice. So I hope, guys, you like this tutorial. It was quick, was nothing fancy, but really helpful when you wanna create your own HitHats loop and when you wanna try to give movement variation to your hats. So yeah, just start on the basic simple stuff and then duplicate, add some variation, add some, remove other, you know, this kind of stuff, and you see, just you can get really interesting stuff. By the way, this one was very nice. I'm gonna keep it. So yeah, I hope you like it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Do not hesitate to subscribe if you are not subscribed already, to like the video, to comment if you like it or not. Do not hesitate to share on your social media to support me. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you next time. Bye.